Hey there, lads and ladies. My name is Chuckle D. Rumwell, and welcome back to Undertale. We're starting off right where we left off. We beat Papyrus finally. We went to Grubby's with Sans. Let's see what else we got to do, shall we? I remember Papyrus saying that something about a date, so let's go over there and talk to him. There he is.
So, you came back to have a date with me. You must be really serious about this. I'll have to take you someplace really special. A place I like to spend a lot of time. My house.
God damn it, Papyrus.
Welcome to scenic my house. Enjoy and take your time.
Alright.
Oh, it's my favorite game show.
It says stay tuned for a new program, MTT.
What? It's usually better than this. This is just a bad episode. Don't judge me.
That's funny. It's a dirty sock with a series of notes on it. Sans, please pick up your sock. Okay.
Don't put it down. Back down. Move it.
Okay.
You moved it 2 inches. Move it to your room.
Okay.
And don't bring it back.
Okay.
It's still here.
Didn't you just say not to bring it back to my room?
Forget it.
Oh wow, the kitchen.
Impressed? I increased the height of my sink. Now I can fit more bones under it. Take a look-see. What? Catch that meddling canine. Curses.
Yes.
Sans, stop plaguing my life with incidental music.
I thought it was great.
That's the trash can. Feel free to visit it anytime. My brother always goes out to eat, but recently he's tried baking something. It was like a quiche, but filled with sugary, non-egg substance. How absurd.
No idea what that is, honestly. I don't know much about quiche. Anyway.
Aha! Interested in my food museum? Please, pursue my culinary artwork.
Half of the fridge is filled with containers of all labeled spaghetti. The other half contains nothing but an empty bag of chips.
That is my brother's pet rock. He always forgets to feed it. As usual, I have to take responsibility.
Rock is covered in sprinkles. It's a joke book. Take a look inside? Yeah, sure. Instead, the joke book was a quantum physics book. Oh god. You look inside. Inside the quantum physics book is another joke book. You look inside. There's another quantum physics book. You decide to stop. Good choice. The door is locked.
A classic image. It always reminds me of what's important in life. That's my room. If you've finished looking around, we could go in and do whatever people do when they date.
Oh god, the implications. Yeah, sure, why not? Nice room, by the way, dude.
Hey, those are all the attacks I used on you. Great memories, huh? Seems like it was only yesterday, even though it basically just happened.
He's got a computer.
The internet! I'm quite popular there. I'm just a dozen away from a double-digit follower count. Of course, fame has a steep price. A jealous troll has besieged my online persona, always sending me bad puns in a goofy font. God damn it, Sans. That book's one of my favorites. Advanced puzzle construction for critical minds. That next book's another one of my favorites. Peekaboo with fluffy bunnies. The ending always gets me. Ah, yes, action figures. A great reference for theoretical battle scenarios. How do I have so many? Well, let's just say they're from a chubby, smiling man who loves to surprise people. Yeah, that's right. Santa! Alright. Isn't that flag neato? Undyne found it at the bay. I think it's from from the human world. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why would a human flag have a cool skeleton on it? Well, I have a theory. I think humans must have descended from skeletons. Yeah. No. That's my bed. If I ever get to the surface, I'd like to drive down a long highway. Wind in my hair, sun on my skin. Of course, that's just a dream. So instead, I cruise while I snooze. You have no skin, you have no hair. There are no skeletons inside my closet. Ah, except me sometimes. Ah, look at the closet. Yeah, clothes are hung up neatly inside. So, if you've seen everything, do you want to start the date? I'm apprehensive, but yes. Okay, dating start. Ah, shit. Dating start. Here we are, on our date. I've actually never done this before. But don't worry! You can't spell prepared without several letters from my name. That's true. I snagged an official dating rule book from the library. We're ready to have a great time. Let's see. Step 1. Press D on your keyboard for Dating Hub. Oh Wowee! I feel so informed. I think we're ready for step 2. Step 2. Ask them on a date. Ahem. Human, I, the great papyrus, will go on a date with you. Sure. Really? Wowee! I guess that means it's time for part 3. Step 3. Put on nice clothes to show you care. Wait a second. Wear clothes. That bandana around your head. You're wearing clothes right now. Not only that, earlier today, you were also wearing clothes. No, could it be? You wanted to date me from the very beginning? Yeah, sure. No! You planned it all! You're way better at dating than I am. No! Your dating power! Nyeh! Nyeh! Don't think you've bested me yet. I, the great papyrus, have never been beaten at a date, and I never will. I can easily keep up with you. You see, I too can wear clothing. In fact, I am wearing my special clothes underneath my regular clothes, just in case somebody happens to ask me out a date. Behold! Yeah, what do you think of my secret style? Yeah, I like it. No! A genuine compliment! However, you don't truly understand the hidden power of this outfit. Therefore, what you just said is invalid. This date won't escalate any further unless you find my secret. But if that won't happen. There's no secret in my legs. The shirt didn't originally say cool, but I improved it. Expert tip. All clothing articles can be improved that way. My hat? My hat! My hat! Yeah! Well then, you found my secret. I suppose I have no choice. It's a present! A present just for you. Do you know what this is? Of course. Spaghetti! That's what you're thinking, isn't it? Right! But oh so wrong. This ain't any plain old spaghetti pasta. This is an artisan's work. Silken spaghetti, finely aged in an oaken cask. Then cooked by me, a Master Chef Papyrus. Human, it's time to end this. There's no way this can go any further. Take a small bite. Your face reflexively crunches up. The taste is indescribable. What a passionate expression! You must really love my cooking. And by extension, me! Maybe even more than I do. Ugh! Ugh! No! Well, that went well. Human, it's clear now. You're madly in love with me. Everything you do, everything you say, it's all been for my sake. Human, I want you to be happy too. It's time for me to express my feelings. It's time that I told you. Papyrus. Boy, is it hot in here, or is it just me? Oh, shoot. Human, I'm sorry. I don't like you that way. I don't like you the way you like me. Romantically, I mean. I tried very hard to. I thought that because you flirted with me, that I was supposed to go on a date with you. Then, on the date, feelings would blossom forth. I would be able to match your passion for me. But alas, I, the great Papyrus, have failed. I feel just the same as before.
Damn, that sucks.
And instead, by dating you, I have only drawn you deeper into your intense love for me. A dark prison of passion with no escape.
Someone's full of themselves.
How could I have done this to my dear friend?
That's right, what a...
No, wait, that's wrong. I can't fail at anything. Human, I'll help you through these trying times. I'll keep being your cool friend and act like this all never happened. After all, you are very great. It would be tragic to lose your friendship. So please, don't cry because I won't kiss you. Because I don't even have lips. And hey, someday, you'll find someone as great as me. Well, no, that's not true. But I'll help you settle for second best. Yeah. Oh, and if you ever need to reach me, here's my phone number. You can call me at any time. Platonically. Well, gotta go. Yeah.
Okay, that was a little weird. Moving on. Okay. Right. Okay, let's save here. How to rush your water fills with determination. Hooray! This is a box. Oh shit. You can put an item in or take an item out. Really? Why would you though? You can't use items when they're in the box. Sincerely, a box hater. go with that. Oh hey, an echo cloud. I swore I saw something behind the rushing water. Interesting. What could it have been? Oh wow. There's a tutu lying on the ground here. Will you take it? Sure. You got the old tutu. Alright, let's see items. Old tutu, info. Old tutu, armor, defense 10. Finally, a protective piece of armor. Alright, let's equip that, I guess. You equipped the old tutu. Yay! Oh. I know where this is going. Pokemon! Oh, guess not.
Hi, Undine. I'm here with my daily report. Regarding that human I called you about earlier. Huh? Did I fight them? Yes, of course I did. I fought them valiantly. What? Did I capture them? Well, no. I tried very hard, Undine. But in the end, I failed. What? You're going to take the human soul yourself? But Undine, you don't have to destroy them. You see... I understand. I'll help you in any way I can.
That wasn't me. Don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move. No, that's not creepy. Oh, it's you. I knew it had to be you.
Yo! Did you see that? The way she was staring at you? That was awesome! I'm so jealous! What'd you do to get her attention? Haha. Come on, let's go watch her beat up some bad guys.
Oh, right in the face. A feeling of dread hangs over you, but you stay determined! When 4 bridge seeds align in the water, they will sprout. Awesome. I made a bridge. Oh, good. Right! Alright. Let us try flexing. Aaron flexes twice as hard. Attack increases for you too. Flexing contest? Okay, flex more. Ow. Stop it. Aaron is ready for your next flex. You flex harder. Aaron flexes thrice as hard. Attack increases for you too. Nice! I won't lose. Oh no. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Ah! Ah! Stop it! Stop it! Aaron is ready for your next flex. You flex. Aaron flexes very hard. He flexes himself out of the room. Okay. Sure, why not? What's that sign say? Let's find out. I love the music here. God damn, it's alright. Congratulations! You failed the puzzle. Damn it! I didn't realize there'd be a troll. If an error is made, the Bell Blossom can call Bridge Streets back to where they started. Cool. Oh hey, awesome. Alright. Let's try it this way. Aha! It worked. Ring.
Hello? This is Papyrus. How did I get this number? It was easy. I just dialed every number sequentially until I got yours. Yeah.
God, that had to be annoying.
So, what are you wearing? I'm asking for a friend. She thought she saw you wearing a dusty tutu. Is that true? Are you wearing a dusty tutu? So you are wearing a dusty tutu. Got it. Wink, wink. Have a nice day.
Shit. A long time ago, monsters would whisper their wishes to the stars in the sky. If you hoped with all your heart, your wish would come true. Now, all we have are these sparkling stones on the ceiling. That's sad. Wishing room. Thousands of people wishing together can't be wrong. The king will prove that. The fuck? Washua? This humble germaphobe seeks to cleanse the whole world. Scrub it up, dub. Ugh. No. No. Washua, whatever, is looking for some good clean fun. Ha! Guess Washua to clean you. It hops around excitedly. Green means clean. Washua is looking for some good clean fun. Spare! And spare me. Come on, sis. Make a wish. I wish my sister and I will see the real star someday. Aww. Look through the telescope? Yes. What? Ah, see, my horoscope is the same all week. Check wall. Now I'm really curious. Oh, that wall. I'm stupid. Ancient writing covers the walls. You can just make out the words. The war of humans and monsters. Why did the humans attack? Indeed, it seemed that they had nothing to fear. Humans are unbelievably strong. It would take us the soul of nearly every monster just to equal the power of a single human soul. But humans have one weakness. Ironically, it is the strength of their soul. Its power allows it to persist outside the human body, even after death. If a monster defeats a human, they can take its soul. A monster with a human soul, a horrible beast with unfathomable power. It's an illustration of a strange creature. There's something very unsettling about it in this drawing. Alrighty then. What's this way? So there's nothing that way? Alright. Fine. Either way. Bye. Yep, I knew something was about to happen. Oh shit. No 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 no. Ah, leave me alone. Leave me alone, you giant fish. That's right, folks. An Undyne is a fish. Did I get away? Woo! Sorry, buddy, but thank God. He's all excited.
Yo! Did you see that? Undyne just touched me! I'm never washing my face ever again! Man, are you unlucky? If you were standing just a little bit to the left... Yo, don't worry. I'm sure we'll see her again.
And you land on your face again. This cheese has been here so long, the magical crystal has grown around it. It's stuck to the table. Poor freaking mouse. Squeak. Knowing the mouse might one day extract the cheese from the magical crystal, it fills you with determination. Ah, jeez. Hey, it's Sans. I'm thinking about getting into the telescope business. It's normally 50,000 G to use this premium telescope, but since I know you can use it for free. How's about it? Yeah, absolutely. I get it. Yeah. Real cool, man. Real cool. Huh? You aren't satisfied? Don't worry. I'll give you a full refund. Jerk! I relocated my shop, but there are still no customers. Fortunately, I've thought of a solution. Punch cards. Every time you buy an ice cream, you can take a punch card from the box. If you have free cards, you can trade them for free ice cream. They're sure to get the customers to come back. Thank you. Sure, I'll take another. It won't let me double up those cards, will it? Let me go here. Here's the box. The manly bandana in there. There we go. You got a punch card. Ice cream. It's a frozen treat to warm your heart. Box contains one card. Take a card? Yes. Carrying too much. Ah. Always. Let's put the bandage in there. I don't know. I don't think I ever used that. Take a card. Take it. Hey, you've got 3 punch cards. Now, how about redeeming them for some ice cream? It's free. Absolutely. Here. Free ice cream. You lost 3 cards and got an ice cream. Here's the box. Yes. Let's take the bandage back. That might be useful later down the line. Alright. What's a star? Can you touch it? Can you eat it? Can you kill it? Are you a star? In my own imagination, friend. Okay, this is a pretty cool area. Just look at that. Alright, so how do I get across? Oh. Duh! Why do I have a bad feeling about this area? What's this way? It's a maze! Mold smalls. Neither of them want to fight. Good. Because I don't want to fight either. It's a pair of ballet shoes. Will you take it? Sure, why not? Other shoes. Weapon. Attack 7. These used shoes make you feel incredibly dangerous. And nope! If I get the chance, I'm gonna sell those shoes. Or throw them in a box. Ring! Hello! This is Papyrus. Remember, when I asked you about clothes? Well, the friend who wanted to know, her opinion of you is very murdery. But I bet you already knew that. But you knew that already. And because you knew that, I told her what you told me you were wearing. A dusty tutu. Because I knew, of course, after such a suspicious question, you would obviously change your clothes. You're such a smart cookie. This way, you're safe and I didn't lie. No betrayal anyway. Being friends with everyone is easy. Yeah, let's go with that. Ah, god dang it. Flex. Yep. I was doing too good, I knew it. Lex. Flexes himself out of the room. Way to go, buddy. You hear a passing conversation. Don't say that. Come on, I promise I won't laugh. Huh. I get the feeling I missed a big conversation. Power to take their souls. This is the power that the humans feared. I can imagine. The heck is that? Hey there. Noticed you were here. I'm Onion-san. Onion-san, you here? You're visiting Waterfall, huh? It's great here, huh? You love it, huh? Yeah, me too. It's my big favorite. Even though the water's getting so shallow here. I have to sit down all the time, but hey, that's okay. It beats moving to the city and living in a crowded aquarium, like all my friends did. Oh, so you're freaking lonely. And the aquarium is full. Anyway, so even if I wanted to, that's okay though. You hear? Undyne's gonna fix everything, you hear? I'm gonna get out of here and live in the ocean, you hear? Hey there. It's the end of this room. I'll see you around. Have a good time. The waterfall in waterfall. Dang it! Shiren hides in the corner but somehow encounters you anyway. Shiren. She's too ashamed to sing her deadly song. You hum a funky tune. Shiren follows your melody. That was a bad idea. Seems much more comfortable singing along. You won! Yay! That's great. The northern room hides a great treasure. A hunting song echoes down the corridor. Won't you play along? Only the first 8 are fine. There's a piano here. Play it. Ah! A haunted song echoes down the corridor. Won't you play along? Only the first 8 are fine. I bet I need to go down the hallway to find it. This power has no counter. Indeed, a human cannot take a monster's soul. When a monster dies, its soul disappears. And an incredible power would be needed to take the soul of a living monster. There's only one exception. The soul of a special species of monster called a boss monster. The boss monster's soul is strong enough to persist after death, if only for a few moments. A human could absorb that soul. This has never happened. And now it will. And now it never will. It's a statue. The structures at its feet seem dry. Please take one. Like an umbrella? Sure. Put the umbrella on the statue. Yes. So it's up, right. It's up, left. Yeah, up, right. Dot, up, right. Dot, down, down, right. Dot, up, right. Dot, right, right. Yeah, up, right. Something like that. Let's see here. Yeah. Da 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 da. Ah. Ah. Oh, it's down, down. Okay. So let's try that. This has me intrigued now. Dang it. Alright, let's try this again. Hooray, it works. Somehow. What's this? There's a legendary artifact. Will you take it? Sure. You're carrying too much. Dang it. Alright, let's see what this thing says though. Yeah. I know it's a legendary artifact. I can't take it right now. But, if I look at my items here, let's drop the ballet shoes. Oh, I can't throw away the ballet shoes. Dang it. Can't find that one. 10 HP. Perfect. No, I didn't hit that. That one. There we go. You reapplied the band-aid. Still kind of gooey. Your HP is was maxed out. Legendary artifact. Will you take it? Yes. I'm carrying too much. What? What? Dog, a little white dog. It's fast asleep. The dog absorbs the artifact. Dang it! Are you serious? That is very disappointing. And annoying. But at least the music's still good. Nah, I don't need an umbrella. On second thought, yes I do. Yo, you got an umbrella? Awesome! Let's go. Man, Undyne is so cool. She'll beat up bad guys and never loses. If I was a human, I would wet the bed every night, knowing she was going to beat me up. Haha. Yeah. So, one time, we had a school project where we had to take care of a flower.
The king. We had to call him Mr. Dreamer. Volunteered to donate his own flowers. He ended up coming to school and teaching the class about responsibility and stuff. That got me thinking, yo, how cool would it be if Undyne came to school so she could beat up all the teachers? Really? Maybe she wouldn't beat up with the teachers. She's too cool to ever hurt an innocent person.
Good. Then I should be fine, right? That is an awesome view.
Yo, this ledge is way too steep. Yo, you want to see Undyne, right? Put up your umbrella and climb on my shoulders.
Turn the umbrella? Sure. You return the umbrella.
Yo, you go on ahead. Don't worry about me. I always find a way to get through.
Oh. I feel sorry for that dude. He always ends up on his face. The humans, afraid of our power, declared war on us. They attacked suddenly and without mercy. In the end, it could hardly be called a war. United, the humans were too powerful and us monsters too weak. Not a single soul was taken, and countless monsters were turned to dust. That sucks. The serene sound of a distant music box. It fills you with determination! Alright. Well, I think I'm going to leave it here for today, guys. If you liked what you saw, leave a comment down below. Maybe hit that like button. And if you could, subscribe. It'll be a big help. Aside from that, all I can say is, that's a wrap. See you later.